English Language Day. Nobody can deny the importance of English language in the present time as global language. It is clear that English language has become more dominated around the world. In some countries, it is used as a mother tongue, and in other countries, it is taught as secondary language in their school. This makes English wider. In addition, it is used for communication between people around the world, as well as it is the light language of modern time. On the other hand, English is the language of science and technology. There is no doubt that the English language of communication between the people with different cultures. It is also the language of computer that helps to communicate with the people around the world throughout internet technology and email. Without the English language, we cannot do anything on the internet. We can share our ideas, opinions throughout with the entire world through the internet with the use of English language. In the sector of education, English language also plays a major role. People who study abroad use the English language. As a means of communication and learning, the lack of English language skills makes everyone in the world today unsuitable for education. English is a global language and used in every book and is a primary language for higher level studies. The international level on the university interviews and presentations are also done throughout English language. Hence, it is taught at the primary level as well as it carries high importance for professional life. English is also the language for sports. All the commentaries that are given in any major sport event. Like cricket or football or in English mainly. To enjoy these events, one must know the language properly. English is very important language. It is also important to learn English to understand it. We must know the basic of English to live in this global world. Without English, nothing will be possible in the future. So, one must learn to know and understand English to live in this world. Thanks for watching.